really true spring day. Now it feels like spring to me.
Oh, yes, Stain. I mean, the last time we felt 70-degree weather was late October of last year.
A long time ago.
You can blame folks at Tony Phil. I've been telling you guys, blame the road and all this past winter. But finally, the sun is shining. Warmer temperatures are moving in. Get ready for an awesome Wednesday, everyone. The time is 6:45 as you are beginning your Wednesday. We are waking up to a few clouds in St. Joseph. It's a little chilly, but not too bad on this March 27th. Right now, we're sitting at 46 right now. Thanks to a south-southeast wind at 8 miles per hour here in St. Joseph. Now this morning already, Falls City, you're coming in at 50 degrees, 44 into Rockport, 45 in Mount City, 43 in Maysville, 42 in Cameron, 47 right now in Kansas City. Again, we're getting a very strong southerly flow of winds. Right now they're gusting anywhere from 20 upwards to 25 miles per hour. I am expecting these winds to pick up throughout the day, gusting up to 30, 35 miles per hour at times. So yeah, it's going to be a windy day, but you know what? These winds are actually going to be our friend because this is what's helping to pump in the warmer air that we have so been wanting for so long here across the KQ2 viewing area. So parents, as you're getting the kids ready this morning, they might need a heavy sweater or light jacket as they're heading out the door with those temperatures in the 40s into the 50s. But look how fast we warm up heading into the afternoon. How about upper 60s, lower 70s with a few clouds heading into the afternoon. Now our average high for March 27th is 60 degrees. Look at our high for today. I'm going for 71 here in St. Joseph. That's 11 degrees above average of our average high. Now we're still going to be above average for your Thursday, but we're slowly going to start going on a downhill trend heading into the weekend. All thanks to a storm system that does have enough of a punch to not only knock down these temperatures, but also bring back in some rain chances into the forecast, especially widespread chances of it heading into Thursday and into Friday. Again, we have been dealing with a few thick clouds this morning on our KQ2 high resolution max satellite and radar. They are breaking up a bit, so I am expecting the sunshine to peek through later on today. We have high pressure out to our east. I always talk about that high pressure goes in a clockwise direction, so since we're on the western edge of it, it's picking up those southerly winds, and it's what's helping that warmer air finally make a comeback. However, this is not going to last for very long as we're tracking our next storm system over the west coast that will make its way into the Four Corners region, into the Rockies, and then eventually into northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas, heading into the second half of the work week. So let's take a close look at everything in your all-important KQ2 hour-by-hour forecast. Again, it is going to be a windy day for us, but look at these temperatures already by lunchtime. Upper 50s, lower 60s. Get outside and enjoy today if you can. We'll have the sunshine. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s by 6 o'clock this evening as you're wrapping up your work and school day. Now heading into tomorrow morning, it's going to be a quiet start. We'll have cloudy skies in the upper 40s to lower 50s, but already by lunchtime tomorrow, we'll have those rain chances start increasing throughout the day, so something we'll be watching very closely. Now for rainfall amounts, we could see anywhere from 1 upwards to 2 inches of rain, something we'll be watching very closely, so keep it tuned to KQ2. But get outside and enjoy today if you can. 71 for your high with mostly sunny skies. Again, it will be a little bit windy out there, but hey, I'm not complaining because those rain chances will make a return heading into Thursday and into Friday, Dane. Into early next week, it will still be spring-like. Yeah, it's going to be cool this weekend, but this is a forecast you cannot complain.
I mean, yeah, you said it right. You can't complain, and definitely go outside and enjoy it. When we come back, we'll be giving you some information on how you can go over the edge, literally. It's for a good cause. Stick around.